Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you the new collection Shore Living from Dollar Tree. This collection has neutral colors and different shades of blue, and this one is perfect for a summer party. Or if you like to decorate your house with a sea theme. As you can see, it has lots of designs of seahorses, starfish, mermaids, and lovely sayings about the sea. These small anchors are wonderful for the cover of a mini album, and these pins are beautiful embellishments. And here are some stickers that you can use with your papers for a sea theme mini album. These are very lovely and they can complement any paper. These wood designs are amazing for $1.25. And this nautical rope can be an excellent touch to any decoration of this theme. And these mini lights can be a beautiful accent to the table or the wall. And look at these beautiful starfish. They look like plastic and they can be painted and used for a DIY. And these big starfish are ceramic. And right here, the sand dollar are like plastic texture, and you can paint it as well. And here is the kitchen decoration or the complement for your beach party. And here are these beautiful bottles that can be used as vases. And if you go to the garden section, you can find all these kind of shells. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.